What's up guys, welcome to PENTA TUBE. Today we are going to unbox the Poco X3 and here we go. Firstly, let us see the box overview. Towards the front we can see the Poco branding X3 and it is India's #1 quality smartphone brand exclusively made in India. Towards one side we have the Poco branding and to the top we have the MRP, that is 21,000 Indian currency, and towards the other side again we have the Poco branding. To the back we can see Poco X3 Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G with liquid cooling technology and 6000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charger inside the box. Flagship 64 megapixel AI quad camera and a Reality Flow 120Hz display with 240Hz touch sampling rate. And this is Shadow Grey 6GB 128GB exclusively made in India. So now without wasting our time, let's unbox this India's #1 quality smartphone. Here we have the Poco branding and now we have the SIM ejector pin and now we have the Poco X3 user guide. Lastly we have the transparent case and now we have the mobile, so let me just open it. So this is the Poco X3. Here we can see the quad camera setup and here we have the Poco branding. So now let us look at the other contents inside the box. Here we have the Type-C charging cable. And now we have the 33 watts fast charger. So these are the contents inside the box. Now let us look at the mobile overview. This mobile has a glossy finish with Poco branding and now we have the quad camera setup. The back is made of polycarbonate and the frame is made of aluminium. To the top of the phone we have a ear blaster, a secondary noise cancellation mic and a speaker. And towards the one side we have the volume rockers, power button with inbuilt fingerprint sensor. And towards the down we have the speaker grill, a microphone and a Type-C charging port with 3.5mm headphone jack. And to the other side we have the SIM tray. Let me just open it. This is a hybrid SIM slot. Coming to the camera module, here we have the LED flash, 2 megapixel macro, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 64 megapixel main camera. Coming to the front we have 20 megapixel selfie camera and here we can see the earpiece. So guys, let me just switch on the mobile. In the meantime, let's have a glance on the features of Poco X3. By the way, this mobile is IP53 splash resistant. As you can see, it supports dual band Wi-Fi. So finally, the setup is completed. Here we can see many bloatwares which we can uninstall later. So now let us move on to settings and know about the mobile. This runs on MIUI 12 stable version. So now coming to the Android version, this runs on Android version 10. Now let us see the display refresh rate. By default this runs on 60 Hz. So now let's enable 120 Hz. Wow, you can easily notice the difference between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. So now let me just open YouTube. Guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative content from me. So the viewing experience is good and the sound comes from dual speakers for giving you the cinematic effect. So coming to the camera, here we have the Pro mode, video, photo, portrait and more. So in more we have many options like vlog, slow motion, hyperlapse and etc. And in this mobile you can record the video up to 4K 30 FPS. And lastly, let me just check the speed of the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor works quite faster. And if you guys end up liking my content, a sub to the channel would be great. So finally, like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.